Let's see in a first important option and select using select query. So when user wants to print a text as a heading instead of field name, then we can use an aliases, right? So this is the one place where we use aliases, and why is the question, right? So when user want to print a text as a heading instead of field name, so while creating a table we might have created with a specific field names like employee ID, employee name, or EID, e name, e salary, and so on, right? So I don't want to display the field names what were what were created using DDL, that is creating a table. So I wanted to have my own heading populated when I retrieve the records, right? So in that situation we can use aliases. Aliases can be specified for a field and table name also. That means you can set an aliases for fields as well as for tables. Now let's look at the aliases at the field level. So syntax will be select field 1 alias name to this, field 2 alias name from specific table name. So see, I'm checking the properties of a table. So describe. So these are the original field names: employee ID, employee EMP ID, EMP name, EMP salary. I wanted to display them as employee ID, employee underscore ID, employee underscore name, employee underscore salary. So what I can do is just type select employee ID followed by alias name followed by alias name, salary followed by employee salary. So now instead of displaying employee ID, employee name, employee salary, now it will display employee aliases name, employee ID, employee name, and employee salary, and these records. Okay, so this is at the field level. Now let's look at the table level. So if you look at here, so select a.emp id, a.emp name, b.emp salary from emp to a, emp to p, where a.employee id is equals to p.employee id. So if you want to perform a operation within the same table, so if you try to retrieve the data directly, you may not be able to do that. So that's the reason you will be creating an aliases and you will be trying to retrieve the data. Okay, employee ID and employee name, where employee ID is itself an employee ID. Sorry about that. So in this place we can use at the table level. So aliases can be used at the field level and also at the table level. Okay, thank you so much for watching this tutorial on options using a select query. So the first one we discussed about aliases. So if you like this video, kindly please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more updates on SQL and also many other different technologies. Thank you so much.